Hey! Hey, man!
Watch out!
It's a woodpecker from space! I didn't know the reason why. Still dark outside, but then a light, and I heard a funny cry. I was jumping out my bed and bumped my head against the door. By the time I was okay, I heard that funny cry once more. Woodpeckers from space, just can't believe it. Woodpeckers from space, how do you do? With a spacesuit and a laser gun, he was only passing by.